Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is our first English class, and in our first English class our first topic is sentence. You all very well know that what a sentence is, as you are reading it from class 1st to your class 10th. Right now we will going to start our first topic, sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It begins with a capital letter and ends with punctuation marks, that is full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. सेंटेंस शब्दों का ऐसा समूह है जो एक कंप्लीट थॉट बनाता है, कंप्लीट सेंस बताता है. सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है और पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स लाइक फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क और एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से ख़त्म होता है. अ सेंटेंस नीड्स अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ प्रेडिकेट. सब सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए और प्रेडिकेट होना चाहिए. सब्जेक्ट में बी नाउन और प्रोनाउन एंड प्रेडिकेट ऑलवेज रिमेन्स वर्ब. हैज़ अ डॉग माई सिस्टर्स कैट. Has a dog, my sister's cat, they are incomplete sense. They are making incomplete sense. It didn't have any sense. But when we say Mohan has a dog, my sister's cat is brown, they are making complete thought. All sentences are made of these things. First is words, phrases and clauses. Words are the smallest units in a sentence. Phrases are group of words and clauses are group of words with the subject and the verb. Clauses क्या है? They are also a group of words but they have subject and a verb, whereas phrases are group of words. Now types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. Declarative, which declare something. Interrogative, ask something. Exclamatory, sudden feelings sentences. And imperative, they orders or demand something. Our first types is declarative sentences. Declarative sentences, these sentences tell something about or expresses a statement. These sentences tell something about or expresses one's statement. They always ends with a full stop. Example, I have a blue dress. Blue dress. My sister is in first grade. My sister is in first grade. It means मेरी बहन फर्स्ट क्लास में है और मेरे पास एक ब्लू ड्रेस है. Second is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, as the name suggests, they ask something or ask questions and ends with a question mark. Example, when are we eating? Where have you been? हम खाना कब खाएंगे? तुम अब तक कहाँ थे? Third is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences tell someone to do something and it ends with full stop or an exclamation mark like this. This is exclamation mark. So imperative sentences tells someone, yeah, they orders or demand someone to do something. For example, clean your room, pick up those clothes. अपना कमरा साफ करो, उन कपड़ों को उठाओ. Last is our exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences shows sudden feelings, strong feelings or emotions of a person's heart. Example, my hair is on fire, look at the beautiful mountains. So these are 4 types of sentences. Let's revise once again. Declarative sentences tell something or expresses a statement and ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentences ask something or ask questions and ends with a question mark. Imperative sentences tell someone to do something and it ends with full stop or an exclamation mark. And exclamatory sentences show strong and sudden feelings or emotions. So these are sentences. I hope you understand today's class concept and hope to see you in your next class. Till then, have fun. Stay safe, healthy at your homes. Bye bye.